I want to introduce to you the product-led system. I've been working on this over the years to make it easy for anyone to build and scale a successful product-led business. And I want to just walk you through the high-level overview of how it works and how you can install this system in your business. So everything we're doing with the product-led system revolves around how do we help you become the obvious choice in your market and experience those 3 core outcomes we talked about, such as effortless annually recurring revenue, lean scale, and durable growth for your business. Now the question becomes, how do we actually make that work for your business? Now there's 3 critical phases we have to go through. Now the first one is all about how do we create an unshakable foundation for your business? And what this is really all about is how do we go from being scattered and doing a lot of different things to being really streamlined and focused in our business. And this is where we're going to go through and really tighten up your strategy. Who is your ideal user and customer? And really get intentional with what are we going to be giving away for free. And in phase 2, what we're going to be focusing in on is how do you actually unlock zero-touch customers? You might have a service-led company where you help a lot of people manually, and it's a lot of work to service every single customer. But what we want to take you from is from service-led to self-serve in your company. And I can still remember the day I was helping one of my clients, and I would just be looking at their monthly recurring revenue, and I could predict almost to a T halfway through the month what their new monthly recurring revenue could be. It was like magic at that time because I know what our free to paid conversion rate is, and I know with how many people are signing up what this will look like at the end of the month. And it's such a cool feeling, and you're going to be able to experience that too when you have zero-touch customers. Now, the last phase here is all about how do we actually scale this up and unlock exponential expansion for your business. Now, if you're a sales-led business right now, it's pretty linear to grow your business. You hire a sales rep, get X bump in quota, you hire another one, keep doing that. And it's like moving up a ladder versus leveraged growth, where we're going to understand where is your biggest bottleneck, and we're going to fix that bottleneck with your product so that every single month it compounds faster than anything else. And that is what we're going to do in phase 3. If any of these phases are missing, what's going to happen to your business? Well, you're just going to struggle with getting demand because you're not focused. You don't know who your ideal user is. You're trying to be everything to everybody. Now, if you don't have zero-touch customers, what's going to happen here is you're just not going to get any leverage because you're going to have to consistently chase customers, help them, service them, and it's a ton of work for you to scale up as a company. And then if you don't have exponential expansion, what will happen to your business is you won't have calm because no matter what your business is going through, you're not clear on what is the biggest bottleneck. You might even be launching a ton of experiments, but because you don't know where to apply that leverage and that focus for the rest of your team, you're scattered and it feels like you're working really, really hard, but you're not making much progress. And so in the next video, what we're going to be going through is how to actually build an unshakable strategy in your business. And that's what's up next.